John Deere GPS Precision Sprayer is a truly integrated John Deere solution. Every sprayer is equipped with individual nozzle control as well as auto track. These two features will save you anywhere from 15 to 20% chemical savings, as well as save you 3% time spraying. Last but not least, the days of having to hand document everything are done. This machine will electronically document every spray event. John Deere's been working with GPS technology for over 20 years. We've taken the best parts of the GPS technology from other parts of the company and integrated it into the John Deere GPS Precision Sprayer. First thing you'll notice is the GPS receiver, which is we call our Starfire 6000. So the GPS receiver, Starfire, provides localization for the unit. It basically helps the unit understand where it is in relation to the world. And with this unit, what you'll see behind it is a radio. The radio provides RTK correction. John Deere will obtain correction two ways, with a radio or with cell or mobile. Basically, RTK provides sub-inch accuracy. So that's going to give you your pass-to-pass sub-inch accuracy when you're actually spraying in the field on the fairways and tees and greens. As we move down into the canopy, into the operator station, we're going to start at the steering wheel. And you're going to notice that there's a mechanism we call it auto track. So that's basically our guidance system. And how auto track works is it locks onto a predetermined A to B line. And while you're spraying, you engage auto track and it will follow that line. And when you're done at the end of the fairway or the end of your run, you break the steering wheel manually and then you re-engage it and it will lock back onto that line. So there's a couple of things that auto track does for us. Is that A, it provides consistency from pass to pass with sub-inch accuracy all day long. The other thing is it gets us out of the field and done with our jobs at least 3% quicker than by not using auto track. The third item with auto track is the ease of use. We hear a lot from our operators that have been using auto track that at the end of the day, they're a lot more relaxed, they're not as tense. Because they're not steering, they're not having to understand where they are on the fairway or the green or the tee. It does it for them. As we move from auto track and we move to the right, you're going to notice our display. So on this machine we have a 4640 display. This is think about it as the main interface between the operator and the machine. Everything is input through that display, and vice versa. What the sprayer is doing is also conveyed through the display. So flow rates, volumes, speed is also projected onto the display so the operator can see exactly what's happening with the sprayer at any given time. Above the display is our switch box. The right switch is the master switch, and then the other switches to the left of it can be assigned either to individual nozzles, or the way we have this one set up is the first three switches are assigned to each section. So the first switch, number 1, is assigned to the left section, number 2 is the center section, and number 3 is the right section. So basically that's just telling the machine when these are in the on position that everything is synced up and ready to be able to activate those sections. Now within those sections are individual nozzles. So with the precision sprayer, each individual nozzle can function independently of one another. So when you're moving in and out of a boundary, the nozzle that's either moving over or outside of the boundary is the only one that's going to kick on when it needs to. So the days of having a whole section turn on and off at once are gone. You're only having one nozzle on at a time when needed. So as we move to the back of the sprayer, you're going to notice the manifold has been updated and redesigned when compared to the existing conventional select sprayer. Three main things we want you to understand that have changed. The first is that the regulation of the solution pressure and flow has been removed from the manifold. The new system controls the pump speed to control flow and pressure. Secondly, the bypass regulating valves have been eliminated. Third, the 3 section valves, the left, the center, and the right, have been replaced with boom-mounted micro-ball valves to provide individual nozzle control. With the John Deere GPS Precision Sprayer, you're going to get John Deere's length and tenure of time in the GPS business, along with the reliability and durability that comes with that depth of knowledge.